and welcome back to our channel Mahauma's World. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Today I am going to make strawberry muffins. For that, first we need to make a strawberry puree. Wash the strawberries well and add it into the blender and make a puree. Strawberry puree is ready. Keep it aside. Let's see health benefits of strawberry. It improves heart function. They are rich in iodine and vitamin C, which help maintain the proper functioning of the nervous system. It boosts the immune system. It helps to manage diabetes. It promotes vision health. It lowers your cholesterol. It regulates your blood pressure. These are some health benefits of strawberries. In between, preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Let's start the process of making muffins. For that, take a mixing bowl, add half cup oil, then add 1 cup powdered sugar. Whisk it well until the sugar dissolves in the oil. Then add 1 cup yogurt or curd, then half cup strawberry puree, then 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix well completely until the sugar dissolves. Now the wet ingredients are ready. Now we will add our dry ingredients. Meanwhile, ready your muffin tray. For that, first place a skewer. Then add 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Then add 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, then pinch of salt. Sift the dry ingredients. Mix the batter well without any lumps. At this stage, add few drops of red food color. It's optional, and mix it well one more time. Now the smooth batter is ready. We are going to transfer to muffins tray. Now we will transfer the batter into muffins tray using the spatula. Just pour until the 3/4 of the muffins cup. In same way, I am going to pour all the batter into muffins. After pouring the batter into the preferred muffin trays, shake it well to release extra bubbles. Now transfer to preheat oven for baking. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Make sure you bake at 350 Fahrenheit. Let's start baking. Strawberry muffins baked well. Let's wait until it's cooled down completely. Strawberry muffins are ready. Enjoy yourself. You can see how soft and spongy. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.